Huh? What is that right here?
It's a screwdriver.
Which one?
It's a screwdriver.
Screws? How about this one? What is this called? Trying to look for it.
No,
What'd you find?
a nail.
A nail? Okay, come over here. Okay, good job. Alright, what's this?
It's a hammer.
What's this?
It's a ball.
Blade.
A bed.
What's this? What's this?
A nail.
Screw.
A screw.
And this one?
A nail.
What is this?
A screw.
A drill.
A scale.
And that one right there? A level.
A wobble.
Level.
Wobble.
What's this right here?
It's a hammer.
This one right here. What's this called? What is it called?
It's a ladder.
Yeah. How about this? What's this called? What is this machine?
It's a turbo.
It's a sawzall.
It's a dodo.
And then what is that right there?
It's a dodo.
Yeah. And what's this?
Don't act like you're taking all the credit for this.
It's a nail.
Yeah. What is this?
It's a bell.
Drill?
A
Good.
drill.
Yeah. And then this?
No.
You know?
Yeah.
What is it called?
It's two. I just even know the S.
Level.
A bubble.
Level.
A
What's
level.
this, son? What's that?
It's a level on the G.
It's a what?
It's a level.
No, this is a cat's paw.
No, it's a cat ball.
Yeah, tell Mom what it is. Tell Mom what it is.
What is it, Malachi?
It's just like that cat.
Yeah. So what is it called?
That's you. I don't know what it is.
Cat's paw.
A cat ball.
What's this, boy?
That's a cat.
What did he say?
It's a chalk
Chalk line.